tons of fries.
I love French fries.
And there's so much in here. Like, I can't even pull them all out. They just piled them on. And
Want a Coke?
my favorite.
Maybe just a few bites.
Mm.
And then I'll have a big salad for dinner.
Make sure you enjoy it, because you're not going to be having this for a while, I guess.
I'll definitely enjoy it.
You don't want to miss out on a single bite. That looks so good.
I need some ketchup.
Mm.
Looks so good.
It's so good. The cheese. Doesn't it feel so good getting so full with all this food?
It does.
And you look so pretty with that burger. Isn't it so good?
I'm gonna miss all this food.
I'm sure you are. I can't imagine stopping after I've been eating like this for so long. It's gonna be so sad, so hard. But I mean, I'll still be able to eat this, so.
You're gonna eat it all in front of me?
I mean, do you expect me to eat a salad? It'll be so sad to watch.
I thought we could do it together.
But my belly is just starting to grow. So I don't know if I'll be able to do that with you. It's a huge bite.
We can't even stop. And an Oreo shake too. Guacamole.
I told you about all your favorites. So what's for breakfast tomorrow? Rice cakes?
Maybe a smoothie.
A smoothie?
All the skinny influencers are having smoothies or acai bowls.
No weight gain powder in there?
Not until I can at least fit in these jeans again.
Poor belly. That's so good.
Maybe.
Maybe what?
French fries and guac.
How is it?
Oh, it's so good. Try it.
You're a genius. Eat up. This is gonna have to keep you full for a while if all you're gonna eat is salads and smoothies.
You got so much food.
I just didn't want you to miss out.
And all my favorites. You know, I read you can make a burger with bell peppers instead of bread, and it's just as good.
You think it's gonna taste as good as that?
Yeah. I don't know. I've never had a bell pepper.
I mean, the burgers from Five Guys are so juicy.
Greasy.
They have all the bread, and the
cheese.
mayo, and the bacon. I can't believe this is the last time I'll see you with all that sauce on your face for a while.
I mean, I'm still gonna be a messy eater. I just can't eat as much.
Promise.
I mean, I didn't even plan to eat all this today, though.
But it's so good, right?
It's so good.
Just feels so good to have such a full belly.
Oh my god.
You eat all that guac by yourself.